Hey everybody, this is Flora again from Aviara Apartments, and I am so excited to share with you a new home. It's a 655 square foot home. It's called Northshore floor plan on our website, and it's on the 3rd floor and unit number 334. Okay, as soon as you walk in, you have this nice European style kitchen, Harvard style flooring, stainless steel appliances, and lots of cabinet space for this type of kitchen, which is really, really wonderful. You have so many storage spaces, and it's just really nice floor plan. What I like about this is a long floor plan, but you have the kitchen area here and you have the living area there, and you have a lot of storage space for this floor plan. You have a gigantic closet here with shelving, you have washer and dryer, you have another coat closet, and plus another shelving closet. And here you have the bathroom. The bathroom is a little bit on the smaller side, but it accommodates really well. There's a shower with the bathtub. And you have some nice shelving, or you have 3 drawers and then double doors here for your toiletries or anything like that. Again, this is one of my favorite parts about this home, is that the storage space for this square footage, a lot of square footages of this size, 655, you're missing a lot, but not here. This is really nice, ton of space, nice living area. You can put a desk in here if you want to, and also you're looking out to the courtyard. Our courtyard is on the 3rd floor. Oh, look at that beautiful courtyard there, lots of greenery. You have a barbecue out there, so you don't even have to worry about that. You have a little patio. Look at that. Your grill is like your own. It's right over there, which is awesome. And you can sit there, you can enjoy it. You have everything from your home. It's like a resort sort of out here. You have all this patio. You can put patio furniture, which is wonderful. It's a beautiful day to shoot this video. And then the bedroom, again, a queen size bed will fit comfortably here, and if you want a little desk or some extra storage space, you can do that there. And this is the bedroom. And then you have these built-in shelving, sliding doors with mirrors, and then you have the built-in shelves. Still plenty of space, and then some extra storage up there. On to the kitchen. Hey again, thank you so much for touring with me on this Northshore floor plan. I am always excited to share these floor plans with you because I absolutely love this community and love these floor plans. So it is my pleasure to share these with you. Do let us know if you have any questions or you want to see more things or more details about our community. And the area. I'm very familiar with the area, so if you have any questions, do let me know. Our information is down below. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. We do have referral programs, so if you do end up leasing one of our homes, we do have a referral program so that you get credit for referring your friends. Again, till next time, have a wonderful day.